I'm gonna make part 3, part 4, or part 5 of Dumb Ways to Die, or part 6. I actually don't know. I don't really watch all my videos. I already said that. Even though I already said that. Okay, Rumi is our test subject. We broke. Oh my god, we broke into it. Just rips off the head.
What is this?
I just rip off the head. I just rips off the head. Okay, let's go. Going to the swimming pool, but you don't even know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. Oh my god, this. Stay too long in the sun.
Tinatanong niya nga kung gusto ba daw namin.
Okay. Okay, our next subject is horror. I like my cousin Phil.
Ano, babe?
I don't know how. I can't breathe. Just acting dumb. I can't breathe. Oh god, I can't breathe. Oh what? I can't breathe. Oh god, you are literally on the surface and it's raining. How come you can't breathe? Bro doesn't know how to breathe.
Yun nga. Kaya lang din, tawag
Bro actually doesn't know how to breathe. Oh, let's go back. Fuck that!
Pag-aalis, muna ka lang ginagawa kay balik.
No! No, don't go upstairs. You're not allowed. Okay, you can. Fine, you can. Who did this to my animatronic? It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was supposed to be like this.
Didn't you guys have a fight over the head?
What? Okay, what else do you want me to do in my Dumb Ways to Die video? What else? What? What did you say?
Running with sharp objects?
Oh yeah. Romy is still our test subject.
Ozzy, can I borrow your tablet? Like, what Ozzy is doing.
What?
What is this?
Hey! My cousin Azzy is drawing sus stuff. Okay, let's go back to the phone.
I wanna fix Ozzy's arm. Can you fix it for me?
Why? Oh my god, I love holding sharp objects. Oh my god, I accidentally stabbed myself. Oh my god, I can stab myself even more.
Pwede Wala pang 7 yan. Kung 7 kilos yan, hindi mo mabubuhat ng kilo niyan.
Not wear winter clothes when it's winter. Oh, I'm so freezing, but I don't want to wear some clothes.
Hindi may bag ka pang isa, diba? Dapat ang bag at isa na lang. May isang bag.
Bab kaboom. What? No, bro, the ad interrupted. It's so cold outside, even though I don't want to wear some clothes.
Yung bag sa order na natin.
Bro doesn't want. What? I'm fine. How does bro say he's fine even though he just freeze to death? Oh.
Yung pantay, hindi yung isang
No.
bagay.
Okay.
You stay there, okay?
Pag ba naman to hindi pa pinagkasya sa overhead compartment. Hindi ka alam, dalaman, hindi yan ang huli, diba?
Okay, let's go back to Rumi.
Baka naman nag-check-in siya or whatever.
Kung wala siyang dalang malaking
Thinking,
maleta, nilagay
thinking
mo.
the
Yung malaking
fire
malaki.
resistant
Nakita mo ba yun? Yung parang
orange
kasya sa loob.
is the orange one. Yes.
Parang kung
It's the orange one. It's the orange one. Oh my god, I feel
Sa
so.
maleta. Oh, na purple. Ka-brand yung dala.
Ayo, not there, not there.
Ay, dapat ba't yung binili? Doon dala. Kasi ang laki naman ito, parang kasya ko. Parang alam yung OFW na ay ano, DH na nilagay sa...
Oo.
Wala na si Tito JR. Kakalabas siya. Hindi ka na.
Baka naman kumain ka, sasabihin naman ni Ate, why is this? Makaraan yun.
Binasabihin niya yun, wag ka mag-alala. Kasabihin ni Azio, pagkaroon niya. Yan pa.
Sabi niya nga,
Yung magtas na kalan.
hindi tumais siya.
Rumi.
Maya-maya si Azzy naman next. Hindi naman din niya napansin na nag-CR.
Playing with a random bomb.
Diretso lang siya sa CR.
Hold on.
Sabi niya,
Playing with the. Yay! 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 I'm having so.
Magalis ka tulog sila. Pagbalik na kasi nahanap ko kayo. Wala na pala kayo.
wala na, B. Hindi na ako
Nag-flash ka ba?
Kinuha ko yung power bank.
Pumasok ka.
Sulit tulog kayong dalawang J. Kinuha ko yung power bank.
Nararamdaman. Sila Alex na hindi ko naramdaman. Well, kung maaga naman yun dahil nga maingat. Okay lang. Pero hindi naman talaga sila nagpapaalam. Yan. Kasi huwag mo nag-aaral kanina. Ay, oo kanina.
Bye bye, that's gonna be all it.
Nag-aaral